Okay, good morning. Good morning, my friends. Good morning.
Ms.Dimitra, let me tell you something.
Okay,
Now
yes. Okay, let's see. What month are we?
December.
Good. December. December. Yes. 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 December starts with the letter D. It starts with the letter D. It starts with the letter in your name. It starts with the letter D. And your name starts with the letter D. That's right. Is this capital D or lowercase d? Yes, it's a capital D. That's right. It's a capital D. That's right. D. It's a capital D. We said D. So look, our capital D and our lowercase d. Our capital D and our lowercase d. Our capital D and our lowercase d. Okay, my friends, so let's see.
Wow, that's S-U-N-P-Q-Y.
Okay, raise a quiet hand. What day of the week was yesterday? Yesterday. What is it? Sunday. Yes, yesterday was Sunday. That's right. Yes, and you said it started with what letter? That's good. Yes, and is this capital or lowercase?
Capital.
Yes, Sunday. Starts with a capital S. Good. Okay, so let's see over here. So if yesterday was Sunday, today is? What day of the week is it today? Yes, today is the first day of our week. So today is what day? Monday. Monday starts with the letter M. It starts with the M. That's right. That's right. If I turn the M upside down, it's gonna look like a W. That's right. Look. It looks like a W now. That's right. But it's the letter M. Is this capital or lowercase? Capital M. So today is Monday. And if today is Monday,
T-U-E-S-T-A-Y.
that means tomorrow will be Tuesday. That means tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. That's right. Tomorrow. Yep. That's right. Tomorrow will be. Yeah. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. And what letters do they start with? T. Is this capital or lowercase? Capital T. What letter does it start with? Yes, T. Starts with a T. Starts with a T, a capital T. That's, yes, yes. Yes, like that. Yes, starts with a T. Okay, so let's see.
I need to find my feet.
So let's see. So yesterday was Sunday. And what number? We said that yesterday was, what number is this? 6. Yesterday was, yes, yesterday was the number 6. So what number was this? 6. Yesterday was the number 6. Good. 6. Do we all agree? Is this my 6? do I put on today? Heart, yes.
7.
7. Let's see. Is this a 7? Let's see.
Yes.
Let's see. Let's look carefully. Is this the 7? Is this the 7?
No.
That's the 8. Good. Oh, that's what we're going to put on for tomorrow. Let's see. How do you know? Let's see. Oh, you saw it. So, is this a 7? Is this a 7? Yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Yes, our friend said our 7. You make a line across and then down like this. And this is the, yes, this is the number 7. That's right, the number 7. Okay, so we said over here, we said that yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. So if we said today is 7, what do we put on? What do we put for today? 8. So tomorrow we're gonna put the number 8. Tomorrow we're gonna put the number 8. Yes. 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 Okay. Good. So now let's count together to the number. What number is this? 7. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So we stop right there because we're at the number 7. That's right. Okay, so now let's put on our weather goggles. Let's put on our weather. How's our weather? What do we think? How does it look like outside? Sunny. Do we all agree? Yes, I see the sun. So it's sunny. Is it sunny? Yes. 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 Yes, it starts with the letter S. It starts with the letter S. Sunny. Is this capital or lowercase?
Capital.
Let's take a closer look.
Capital.
It's small s. Look.
Capital.
Is it a capital?
Yes.
It's a small s, so it is lowercase. Look. Let's see. Let's look at the difference. Let's see. Look, my friends. The S looks the same, so that's why it might be confusing. But look. Look, our big S and our little s. Look. They look the same, but the only thing that changes is their size. Look. Big S and little s. Big S and little s. Yes. Yes, so we said today is sunny. And we think it's also windy. Do we think it's windy today?
Yes.
Do we think it's windy?
Yes.
Yes. So windy, my friends think it's windy. So windy starts with the letter W. Windy starts with the letter W. Okay, so let's say this. Okay, so let's say this. Let's say today is Monday, December 7, 2020. Today is Monday, December 7, 2020. my friends, let's count and see who can count my girls. Who can count my girls? Let's see. Yes, how many girls? How many are there? Three. Let's see if we're right. Yes, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3. That's 3. That's 3. That's right. That's 3. Is this my 3?
Yes.
Yes. Is this 3?
Yes.
Yes, that's 3. And if we include the teachers, how many?
4.
Yes. So there's 3. And if we add 2 more, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that means there are 5. If we include teachers, there is. Yes. That's 5. That's right. 5 fingers, my friends. That's right. Is this 5?
Yes.
Yes, that's the number 5.
Now we can count all the ones.
Okay, so how many boys are there? Count the boys. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So let's see. Let's see the 7. Let's see. The 7. So let's see. Is this my 7? So is this a 7?
Yes.
Yes, this is my 7.
Now we can count all the ones.
That's a 7. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see over here. Let's see over here. Let's see. Let's see. Quietly, what number do you
3 and
see?
7.
Oh, quietly. 3 and a 7. So where's a
7
quiet
is
hand?
bigger, 3 is smaller.
What number is bigger?
7 and 3 is smaller.
That's right. Do we all agree? 7 is bigger and 3 is smaller.
Yes.
Do we all agree?
Yes.
Yes. 7 is bigger and 3 is
Smaller.
smaller. That's right. Yes. Okay, now let's see how many friends we have here today. Let's see. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's see if we're right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10. That's right. 10. So let's see 10. Let's see. Is this a 10? What's missing? What's missing? Let's, yes. Is this a 10? Is this 10? Yes, a 1 and a 0. A 1 and a 0, that's right. That's right. Okay, let's see over here. Let's see. Okay. Let's see quietly. What numbers do we see? So we said this number is the... What number? But let's see. What number is this? 3 and this is? 10. So which number is bigger? 10 is bigger and 3 is smaller. That's right. 10 is bigger and 3 is smaller. That's right.
This is yay.
Okay, let's see over here.
Bigger. This kind of bigger. This thing is smaller. This thing is smaller. Bigger.
Okay. Let's see over here. What numbers do we see? What number do we see?
7 and 10.
We see 7 and 10. What numbers?
7 is
Good. 10 is bigger and 7 is
smaller.
smaller. 10 is, so 10 is bigger and 7 is smaller. Yes. That's right. 10 is bigger and 7 is smaller. That's right. That's right.
Can you count all the dots?
Can I count all the dots?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see over here. Let's count
All the dots.
all the dots. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Yes, I had 10, 7, and 3. That's right. So we had, let's see.
No, 10 and 10 makes 20.
That's
No.
right.
10 and 10.
So let's see.
21.
Let's see. Is this 20?
Oh, yes.
Is this 20?
Yes.
2 and a
0.
2 and a 0. Yes. Yes.
We're trying to count all the dots with 20.
Yeah, that was 22 and a 0.
Can you count all the dots with 20? 27, 20, and 10? Can you try to do it like that?
That's gonna be a lot.
Can you try to do it like that?
No, since we want to count, we can do this.
What? What's the 7?
We can count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Yes, after 20 is 21. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so we've been learning about where. Okay, so we've been learning about where we live. Okay, so let's look over here. Okay, so let's look over here. Let's look over here. Let's look at the different types of homes that we see. Let's see. I'm going to show the picture.
What's like the first one? That one you hold. That one.
Let's see, which one is this? Raise a quiet hand.
What house? A hut.
A hut. Hut. That's a hut. You start with well, let's just start with H. And what is it made of? What do we think it's made out of?
What of a person?
It's made out of sticks and straw. And let's see, let's look at this house carefully. Do we see any windows? Do we see windows? No. And do we see any windows? No. Yes. Yes, you see a door. How many doors do you see?
A roof.
And it has a roof, yes. And what shape is the roof? Triangle. And the door looks like a square. That's right. Let's see over here. Let's see this one. What house is this? A log cabin. And it starts with what letter? L. And what do we see? What is it? Yes. And what do we observe on this house? What do we see? What do we see? We see windows, yes. What else do we see? What is this house made out of? What is this house made out of? No. You can see a chimney. That's right. Let's see, what is this? An igloo. An igloo. And what letter does it start with? What letter does it start with? I starts with the letter I. And what is this called then? Igloo. And what is the igloo made out of? Ice and snow. What else do we see on the igloo? You see a door. Good. You see a door. And it has, yes.
And it's made of ice.
And it's made of ice. And what? And it's somewhere where it's very cold. Yes.
And here's where it's warmer.
Yeah. Our classmate said that he thinks the igloo is in an area where it's very cold. Do we agree?
Yeah. And Ms.Dimitra,
that the igloo is in a...
warmer.
Do we agree that the igloo is in an area where it's very cold?
Yeah.
Yes, so some houses are in areas where it's very cold. Yes.
And some are in a village.
Do you think we could build a house in a place that's very warm?
Yeah.
Do you think we could build a house we could make an igloo somewhere where it's very warm?
Yes.
Why? Why do you think?
Because it's gonna melt.
Because it's gonna melt. So igloos are made in places where the climate is cold. So it has to be in a cold climate, in an area that's cold.
Here's a little cold and there's more cold. That one.
Let's see this one.
That one. I can see one.
Let's see, what house is this?
Penthouse.
What type of house is this?
Penthouse.
A tent. A tent. And it starts with a T. Starts with a T. Like your name, it starts with a T. And raise a hand. What do we see? What do we observe on this house? What do we see?
It has a big door like a triangle.
It has a big door like a triangle, yes.
And a window like a triangle. One window like a rectangle.
Oh, it has one window, yes, on the side. What else?
That's it. That's it. That's no more.
Does it have a roof?
Yes. I said all of it.
And what shape does it look like?
Triangle.
A triangle. Good. Let's see over here.
No, not this.
Oh, what is this house called?
A skyscraper.
A skyscraper or a...
Building.
What kind of building?
North
A high rise. Look. Why do you think it's called a high rise? Let's listen to them.
Because it's a building.
Because the building is what? The building is very high. And what letter does high rise start with? What letter does high rise start with? H. And do we think a little amount of people live here or a lot amount of people live here? Yes, that's right. A lot of people live in this house because it's super high. Okay, let's see. What type of house is this? A trailer. This is a trailer. And what do we notice about the trailer? What do we notice? What do we see? What do we see on the trailer? Windows, doors.
And will be big roof that is a triangle.
So we see.
And
And what material do you think the trailer is made out of? What material? Do you think it's made out of bricks? No. What do you think it's made out of? Do you think it's metal?
All the houses are painted.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see, what house is this? Castle.
It's made of wood.
Uh-huh. And what letter does it start with? C. Starts with the C. Starts with the C, that's right. What house is this? Tree house. And what do we notice about the tree house? So what material is the house made of? What material? Was this house made out of bricks? Yes. But yes, tree house, but what material is it? Is it made out of? We start with the same letter as your name. Is this house made out of bricks? What material is used to make this house? But what material do we see? It makes this house. I know it's a tree house, but what material do we see? Do we see? It's built in a tree house, but it's made out of wood. Look, it's made out of wood. Yes, yes. Yes, it's made out of wood. Okay. Let's see over here. What is this house called?
A boathouse.
Yeah, a house. But it starts with what letter? H. And what do we notice about this house? What do we notice about this house? What do we notice about this house? What do we notice about it? What do we notice about this house? What do we notice about this house? Yes. The house is in the water. Good. And it could float. Yes.
I have an H.
Mm-hmm. And how do you think people can get from one place to the other? How do you think? What do they use? They use boats. That's right. what house is this? Apartments. Apartments. That's right, apartments. And what letter does it start with? A. An apartment starts with the letter A. And what material is this house made out of? Bricks. So we said, so what material can houses be made out of? What material do we say the houses could be made out of?
Mud.
Mud. So houses could be made out of mud. What else can houses be made out of?
Skyscrapers.
But what material? We said mud. What other material can houses be made out of? What? Let me see. What did you say? Bricks. Yes. Yes. Glass. Yes, buildings are made out of glass. Materials. So we said mud, bricks, glass, straw. Good. And what else? What other material is our? We said mud, bricks, glass, straw, not paint. Paint, all it's one material. Is okay. And one more. What other materials can a house be made of? Sticks. Good, sticks. Okay, yes. Snow. Ice. Good. And one more. What other material can houses be made out of? Yes. Not paper. And it starts with W. Wood. And wood. So we said, so materials that make, no. So we said mud, bricks, glass, straw, sticks, wood, and snow.
And which ones are made out of snow?
The igloo.
And ice.
Okay. And ice. Good. Let's see over here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do one more thing. Let's see over here. Okay, so I have a house. So how many squares are there? How many squares are there? So how many squares are there? Raise a recording hand. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the house is a square. So there's 5. 5. And how many rectangles are there? How many rectangles are there? We said the house is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many rectangles are there? 1. So which number is bigger? 5 or 1? 5 or 1? I said 5 or 1. 5 is bigger. And which number is smaller? And which number is smaller? 1. Good. Okay, friends.